Hey, I'm Dan Fitzpatrick, StockMarketMentor.com, and let's look at Taiwan Semi. Yesterday, everybody wanted to look at this. I mean, this stock had a nice, clean breakout, boom, out of this volatility squeeze, pretty close to the 50-day moving average, which gives it a little bit of room to run. But a lot of times, what you see on these types of breakouts is you'll get a second chance. It doesn't necessarily have to happen the next day. It might happen 2 or 3 days later from much higher levels. I call these things volatility squeezes, and my kind of measurement for them, for lack of a better term, is I just look at them in terms of three phases, phase 1, 2, and 3. First of all, it has to start with a squeeze, which is what we have here. It's a little gappy because it's an ADR, but the stock breaks out from a squeeze on the first day. That's phase 1. The second phase would be when the initial breakout ends and then a pullback ensues. Okay, now we see this here, so today I would say is phase 2, but a lot of times, you're not going to see it. You're going to see a move here. Oh, that's phase 1. Second day, oh, phase 1 still intact. Third day, well, I'll be darned, this is a heck of a move. Fourth day, okay, now that's phase 2. And so then what you do is you watch and you see, like, okay, I bought on the initial breakout, boom, I'm in. Okay, oops, I didn't buy on the initial breakout. Now I'm waiting for a chance to get in. Okay, that's where we are right now. So if this is the top here, what you're looking for is for this stock to pull down and preferably hold above 80. Maybe it'll hold up here, which is fine, but I would say if it falls below 80, then this entire breakout is really suspect. You have to really, really be careful about getting too enthusiastic about it, because you're not entitled to make money on every breakout. You're only entitled to make money on every breakout that you buy and that then continues to go higher. So here we've got phase 1, we've got phase 2 that we're waiting for, and so your plan is to see how the stock trades right in here. And if it holds up within this circle and starts moving higher, then you want to be buying that stock, and you'll be buying that stock with a stop like just below 80 bucks. Okay, so that's the way that I would be trading Taiwan Semi. Okay, now members, over on the strategy session tonight, I'm going to spend a lot of time on entries. The entry is the most important part of your trade. Frankly, it's even more important than your stock pick. It's more important than the ticker you're trading is the entry that you're taking. If that is confusing to you, then you definitely need to learn more about this, and you should join Stock Market Mentor. It's about the hardest sell I've done in a long time. Bye.